here we're pulling into the local rock quarry that I've never been to before, and I had to stop at the scale house and go talk to the lady and sign a form to release them from any possible damage to my equipment, my trailer or my truck, and then I was to get loaded. So enjoy. I gotta go in and talk to her. Hey guys, today I got a load of RipRap, 6 to 9 inch RipRap. I'm gonna see how far it'll go on these sides. I'm gonna try to reinforce this curve right here where the water comes out, try to reduce how fast it's coming and slow it down, because we were getting a lot of washout on that creek. That back there is gonna be a culvert and a land bridge across it. But let me set you up. Woo, son! Now that's weightlifting. Well, I got 4 tons of this big RipRap down. I guess I'm about halfway. Just gotta cover all that black up, and then I might put some down there. I don't know. Thinking about doing a culvert and doing a land bridge so I can get the lawnmower to that side over there, and without having to use the driveway. So anyway, that's what I got done. That's what I got done today. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more videos on different things that I do on my property. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.